Hey, we're back, and we're gonna try to get this across the finish line. So, here, like we were basically um, changing the data model for the change here to be table change and column change, and then a table change if you update it was updated, then it's potentially a series of column changes that are happening here. And so the here we're like computing the diff for between two tables. So it's basically the set of column changes that are happening here. And like one of the things that we found is that one of the changes needs to be the this one, which is going to be the altering the table, but that's actually not a thing that's on the column side. It's something that's on the table side. So it's add to table modify order. It's not really like this. It's like a little bit more different. So that makes it so that like probably should be its own thing here. Instead of column changes, there might be a order by. Change. And then here it's more like a before and after, like what we had before. So it's like before and after, and if it's different, then there's actually a change. Or is it not happy? Before, after, no, I don't want to change that. I just want maybe because this is an enum and like I need to have like something a little bit more. I can't like just nest things like this way, a little bit like JSON. So I'm gonna need to put like something like pub struct order by change. Yeah, exactly. Now it's happy. No, still not happy. Oh, that's an easy fix. Cool. And then now if I go back to some of the things that I was changing, and that's going to be like fully different, but here, so basically here, what we'll do is we will added column. What are we doing here? Yeah, so we need to change this. This is like updated. This is a little bit different. Update then. Cool. So now this should not be that. Oh, that's a column change. That's a table change. That's why. That makes sense. And then, okay, so let me see if I can just ask. Table changes, why is that not no such a field? Updated. As this like column changes, cool. Column changes, I'll change this like this. And then order by changes. Like, that's exactly what it is. And then here, removed of a table. Yeah, I need to add something in here. So I need to change how this is being sent. Table. Okay, so it's the table that I need to put. Table.blue. Cool. Okay, so we good here. So we got the order by change, we got the column changes. Now I need to make sure that it all works out. Any table, so this is going to be table change. That makes sense. And then here, what is that going to be? Computable diffs. So now what we need here is the updated, so before and after column. Cool. What about this? Did it get it? Before, after. Cool. Yep. 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 And then this is gonna be like this. And that's actually not a column change, so we can remove this. Cool, and now we need to interpret, so a series of column changes, so this goes away here. But so this is like gonna be before, after, alter table, before modify column, after data type. Yep. And then here, removed call. Okay, so it's like column dot name. Why isn't that happy? Expect a table change. Oh, this is because this is column change here. Cool. Now it's all happy. Now here, this compute diff, that test needs to move. So I'll change this. And I put it into the infrastructure map with the rest of the tests here. Here we go. Did it? Yeah, let's set up the import in the right scope. Same thing here. Same thing here. No code action. Import Yep. I want to import this as well. And that. Cool, all green. Compute table diff is right here. Fn compute table diff. I think we need this to be pub for this to be able to go through. And then, oh, wait, what's the issue here? Why is that not working? If I do this. Okay, so let's first fix this. And then compute table diff. Is this still a problem? I think I need to put like public and I need to import it. Test it. Cool. Cool. Okay, so that's good. And now we need to fix this thing, which is gonna be, I'll ask the cursor to do it. Fix this. Should be simple enough. Column change added. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, and then this is actually out of this. But now what I do need to add though, I'll remove this. I'll remove that. Cool. And then I'll try to set up some, what is that? Cool. Okay, OLAP table change. Yeah, so those are the mapping, but like we actually need to update. So it's like, this is going to be a table change, updated, and this changes a bunch here. So this is not that anymore. This is name, column changes, order by changes. Yep. And being table name. So updated table. I'll put this like this. Compute table diff. That doesn't need to happen in here anymore. This is gonna be generate auto statement. Yes, from this. Column changes. Before, and then there's like nothing else that's needed. Oh no, table name. Yep, that's like this. But the only other thing that like needs to change is so this is actually generate column alter thesis statement, and then rename sample, generate column alter statements, and then oh, it's not what I actually wanted to change. It's this one. Generate column alter statements, and then I want to do then generate order by alter statements. Exactly. Format, modify, order by, and then order by join. And then that needs to be also dot map dot iter dot map. Exactly. So that we escape all the columns properly. And that should be fine. Join. Yep. Okay, so now this needs to go in here for if like we have a before and after that are different. Order by change dot before different to order by change after. Then we do this and let's mute alter statement and then we put it in there. Does that actually mean that so basically in the plan what we're gonna have is in the plan what we're gonna have is now that all the table changes, we'll have the like column deletion, like all that kind of shit. That's perfect. That's better than what I wanted to do in the beginning actually, because in the beginning I wanted to have the alter statements in the plan itself, but this is better. Okay, so there's still something here that needs to be updated. Oh, yeah. Like I need to update this code, but I'll actually ask Cursor to do this. Update this code. Accept. Cool. And then I just need to import this. And then what's happening with this? Oh yeah, it's not right. Order change. This is like name, column changes, order by changes. And then infra updated of message. Yeah. So expand it before. Like this shows the tables. But for the infra change, I think what I'll do is like I'll format the message specifically here. Format. This is supposed to be the short display, the expanded display. You change. Oh, it's like up to me. Okay. So in the column changes, where they are, order by after change. Yeah, no, that's not good enough. Put like table. With column changes. order by. Here we go. Why is it not happy? Found string, expected str. Do this. Yep. And now it's like, oh, I don't know how to display this. Well, display the debug version. Cool. Okay, so now let's see if that compiles. It does not. I was like, fuck, it does. This I remove. And then this undeclared type. Oh, yeah, no. This got changed. It shouldn't have gotten changed. That's like a perk of ELM that did something it wasn't supposed to. But that's fine. Like, we can fix it. And then now I'm just gonna cargo build, cargo clipping. Okay. Suggesting a change this to column change. I don't need the pointer here. Cool. Okay, so that's good to go. Now I'm gonna test this. So first I'll run cargo test because we have a bunch of unit tests. Looks like I failed one test. Test generate alter. That's the test that failed. Okay. Why did that fail? Failed, frame and failed. Yeah. Left, right, fail. Left, right, fail. So equal lines. That should be 3 right here. Because went a little bit too fast. I'll write a quick unit test. I'll have generate a test for the nope, you don't want to copy paste this into that. What's the name? Generate order by alter statement function. Cool, that looks good. Let's run the test. failed the test. Where did it fail? Failed the 3 tests. Okay. Oh, it's like modify order by here. Plus it's gonna miss the backtick. Yeah, I think it just failed 1 now. Yeah, it's because of an extra space. Where's the extra space? It's here. Cool. Now that seems to be working. So now I'm gonna run a proper end-to-end test. So cargo build, and then I'll split this. Here I'll go to my CD514, and then to my test project, and then I'll split this also. Nope, that didn't work. Split this, and then I'll go to my infrastructure. I think that's the one. I do Docker compose up. Nope, that's not the one. That's the one that's running. Now if I do this prod, then it should start up. And now if I run, for example, I'm gonna go up, split this terminal. I'm gonna go, I'm here, I'm gonna change models. Not this one yet. And then let's just say add an activity in here. So description, be a string. I rate and quit. Then I do a plan. Okay. Added column, name, description, type string, required true. That's like pretty good. And there's no order by change. And so now if I apply this, so I restart the prod server, basically it's going to apply it behind the scenes. If I rerun the plan, now it should just be reloading shit. Yep. And then if I go to our SQL stuff, it should be on here. Yep, description. And now if I remove it and then save this and then restart this, then now I do another plan. It should say like, well, there's nothing to apply. Yep. And then here, if I refresh, how do I refresh? Here. If I refresh, then description is gone. Then if I add it back, let's just test the type change type of thing. I'm gonna add it back. Am I using user active? Yeah, if I'm like looking at the right thing. If I description string. Okay, so now I'm gonna restart it. So it's gonna apply the change. I'm gonna tell it like, okay, what is there to change? It should say nothing. Now I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put number instead. And then if I to apply, it's gonna tell me, well, you modified this thing. Updated column, description, the type name, before, and then after, column, description, that I have float. Yep, that works. And then if I restart, it should just apply the change. Then if I do the plan, has applied the changed. And then if I redelete the column, cool. If I run plan right now, can it run plan? Yeah, it's gonna tell me that it's gonna delete the column, and then if I apply it, and then I run the plan, boom, cool. Yeah, so I think that's working, and that's part of a plan now. So that's what I wanted to do. I'll won't bore you with the pull request type of workflow, but we're done for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.